Hello there, YouTubers. So this is what I'm working on this weekend, and here's the situation. I have this portable drill press, and it only accepts drills with a collar that is sort of like this old drill, and I'd like to make it cordless, but I can't find any drill anyway. Makita drills, just because I do have the Makita batteries and stuff, so I want to mount this drill onto the portable drill press, and I have this handle that I want to somehow convert and mount this onto here. So I'll cut this off and I'll hopefully weld this on. This looks to be like it's aluminum. This is also aluminum, so I think this should work. And yeah, so let's get at it and let's see if we can make it happen. This may prove a lot more difficult than I thought it would be, but we'll give it a try regardless. Okay, so there it is. Looks like it will work. So I put it all back together. Let's see. So there you have it. Cordless drill press. How about that?